Slipher crater, Martian crater, as seen by CTX camera, on Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. Gullies in crater on the rim of Slipher crater, as seen by CTX camera, on Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. Martian gullies are small, incised networks of narrow channels and their associated downslope sediment deposits, found on the planet of Mars. First discovered on images from Mars Global Surveyor, they occur on steep slopes, especially on the walls of craters. Usually, each gully has a dendritic alcove at its head, a fan-shaped apron at its base, and a single thread of incised channel linking the two, giving the whole gully an hourglass shape. They are believed to be relatively young because they have few, if any, craters. A subclass of gullies is also found cut into the faces of sand dunes which themselves considered to be quite young. On the basis of their form, aspects, positions, and location amongst and apparent interaction with features thought to be rich in water ice, many researchers believed that the processes carving the gullies involve liquid water. As soon as gullies were discovered, researchers began to image many gullies over and over, looking for possible changes. Later, with further analysis, it was determined that the changes could have occurred by dry granular flows rather than being driven by flowing water. With continued observations, many more changes were found in Gaza crater and others. With more repeated observations, more and more changes have been found. Since the changes occur in the winter and spring, experts are tending to believe that gullies were formed from dry ice. Before and after images demonstrated the timing of this activity coincided with seasonal carbon dioxide frost and temperatures that would not have allowed for liquid water. When dry ice frost changes to a gas, it may lubricate dry material to flow, especially on steep slopes.